Alam niyo bang nag-stop sa operation ang Billboard Philippines dahil mahina sila. Subalit nang dahil sa SB19, bumangon at lumakas ang Billboard Philippines.
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Update tayo with SB19 at ang Billboard Philippines. Post ang SB19 sa kanilang social media account tungkol sa SB19. Ito ay tungkol sa legacy. Ang title, SB19 talks about their legacy and the importance of having a vision on Billboard Philippines volumes. At heto nasasulat, revisit the Billboard Philippines Volumes episode where the kings of P-pop themselves, SB19, emphasize the importance of looking beyond themselves and doing everything in their power to realize their vision. True trailblazers in their own right, the 5-member P-pop group has always prided themselves on championing Filipino talent and artistry in everything they do. Watch the full episode only in Billboard Philippines YouTube channel. Subscribe for more. Hashtag BillboardPH, hashtag BillboardPH Volumes. At heto nga, proud na proud tayo bilang isang 18 dahil alam niyo ba, nag-stop pag-operate ang Billboard Philippines. Pero noong naging number 1 ang Basenga ng SB19 sa Billboard Worldwide na ungusan ang BTS, nagbalik sa ere ang Billboard Philippines. Lahat ng aspect nila ay bumalik sa operation. I think less than 5 years po nag-stop ang Billboard. Subalit nung naging number 1 ang Basenga sa Billboard, nagbalik lahat ang businesses ng Billboard Philippines. O di ba, nakaka-proud dahil SB19 lamang ang nakapagbigay ng pag-asa sa Billboard at nagkaroon pa ng magazine ang Billboard at unang featured at cover boy ang ating mahalima, SB19.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.